Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into the best garage workshop design ideas. Let's explore some incredible setups that maximize both functionality and style. Stick around to see how you can transform your own garage into the perfect workspace. Looking at this garage workshop, I love the efficient use of space. The layout is practical, with workbenches and storage units positioned to maximize accessibility. The table saw and drill press are centrally located, making it easy to switch between tasks. The overhead storage and wall-mounted cabinets keep tools organized and out of the way, freeing up valuable floor space. The lighting is excellent, especially over the main workbench, which ensures precision during detailed tasks. However, I would add more pegboards or tool racks to the walls for easier access to frequently used tools. Additionally, an anti-fatigue mat in front of the main work areas would make prolonged work sessions more comfortable. I'm really impressed with the clean and organized setup in this garage workshop. The slat wall system is a fantastic choice for keeping tools and supplies visible and easily accessible. The workbenches are well placed, providing ample surface area for various projects. I also appreciate the separate storage unit for tires, which keeps them out of the way, but still within reach. The lighting is bright and evenly distributed, which is essential for precision work. However, I would suggest adding a mobile workbench to create a flexible workspace that can be adjusted as needed. Additionally, a dedicated space for larger equipment, like the table saw, would enhance the overall functionality of the workshop. I absolutely love the sleek modern feel of this garage workshop. The stainless steel cabinetry is not only stylish, but also incredibly durable. The pegboard wall is a fantastic addition, keeping tools organized and within easy reach. The overhead storage for lumber is a smart use of space, freeing up the floor area. The stool adds a nice touch, providing a spot to sit while working on detailed tasks. However, I would add more task lighting above the workbench to ensure adequate visibility. Additionally, a small rolling cart could be useful for transporting tools and materials around the workspace, enhancing overall efficiency and convenience. This garage workshop has a charming, rustic vibe that I find really appealing. The black cabinetry is both elegant and practical, providing plenty of storage space. The orange pegboard adds a pop of color and keeps essential tools within easy reach. I love the inclusion of a sink, which is incredibly useful for cleaning up after messy projects. The chalkboard is a nice touch for keeping notes or project reminders. However, I would add more lighting to brighten up the workspace, especially around the sink and work areas. Additionally, some open shelving above the cabinets could provide extra storage and keep frequently used items more accessible. This garage workshop has a very functional and spacious layout. The open floor space is perfect for accommodating larger projects, and the wall-mounted shelving provides ample storage for materials and tools. I appreciate the use of clear storage bins, making it easy to locate items quickly. The miter saw station is a great addition, offering a dedicated space for precise cuts. However, I would add more wall-mounted pegboards or tool racks to keep frequently used tools within arm's reach. Additionally, installing better task lighting above the workbench and saw area would greatly improve visibility and reduce eye strain during detailed work. Overall, a few small enhancements could make this space even more efficient and user-friendly. I really admire the clean and organized look of this garage workshop. The white cabinetry is sleek and provides plenty of storage space for tools and supplies. The pegboard wall is a great choice, keeping all the essential tools neatly displayed and within easy reach. The central placement of the miter saw is practical, making it the focal point for various projects. I appreciate the ample countertop space, which allows for multiple work areas. However, I would suggest adding some task lighting under the cabinets to improve visibility during detailed work. Additionally, incorporating a few open shelves could enhance the storage options and keep frequently used items more accessible. I'm really impressed with the organization and efficiency of this garage workshop. The overhead storage is brilliant, making use of otherwise wasted space. The wall-mounted racks and pegboards keep tools and supplies neatly arranged and easily accessible. The workbenches along the walls provide plenty of surface area for various projects, and the windows bring in natural light, creating a pleasant work environment. The use of labeled bins and baskets helps keep everything in order. However, I would add some rolling carts for added flexibility and mobility. Additionally, a dedicated charging station for cordless tools could further streamline the workflow and keep the workspace tidy. Overall, this setup is highly functional and well thought out. This garage workshop is a perfect example of efficient organization. The pegboard for power tools is fantastic, keeping everything visible and easy to grab. I love the custom-built shelving unit next to it, which holds drills, batteries, and chargers in a neat and accessible manner. The Husky tool chest provides ample storage for smaller tools and accessories, and its mobility is a big plus. The upper shelves offer additional storage for less frequently used items. To enhance this setup, I would add labels to the shelves and bins for even quicker access. Also, integrating a small workbench area in this space could provide a convenient spot for quick fixes and assembly tasks. Overall, it's a well-organized and highly functional workspace. I'm really impressed with the clever use of space in this garage workshop. The overhead storage racks are a smart solution for keeping large bins out of the way, but still easily accessible. The pegboard wall is well organized, with a variety of tools neatly displayed and easy to reach. The shelving unit beneath the pegboard is perfect for storing smaller bins and toolboxes, maintaining a tidy workspace. I also appreciate the wall-mounted racks for ladders and cords, which help keep the floor clear. However, I would add more lighting to brighten up the workspace and ensure good visibility for detailed tasks. Additionally, incorporating a dedicated workbench area would enhance functionality for more complex projects. I love the simplicity and functionality of this garage workshop setup. The large workbenches provide ample space for various projects, and the sturdy construction is ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The lower shelves are great for storing tools and materials, keeping everything organized and within reach. The miter saw station is well placed, making it easy to handle cutting tasks efficiently. However, I would add some pegboards or tool racks above the workbenches to keep frequently used tools accessible and off the work surface. Additionally, improving the lighting in this area would enhance visibility and make detailed work easier. Overall, it's a solid foundation for a productive workspace. I'm really impressed with the clean and organized look of this garage workshop. The white walls and light color scheme make the space feel bright and inviting. The pegboard above the rolling tool chest is perfect for keeping tools organized and easily accessible. I love the dedicated lumber storage on the wall, which keeps materials neatly stacked and off the floor. The miter saw station is well placed for efficient workflow. However, I would add some more workbench space to provide additional surface area for projects. Also, incorporating more overhead lighting would improve visibility, especially for detailed tasks. This setup is functional and aesthetically pleasing, making it a great workspace. I really appreciate the compact and efficient layout of this workshop. The custom-built storage units and drawers keep tools and equipment well organized and within easy reach. The placement of the table saw and workbenches is ideal for creating a smooth workflow. I like the use of vertical storage to maximize space, and the pegboard for smaller tools is a great addition. The dust collection system is a practical feature that helps maintain a clean workspace. However, I would suggest adding some anti-fatigue mats to make standing for long periods more comfortable. Also, improving the lighting in this area would enhance visibility, especially during detailed work. Overall, this setup is both functional and well thought out. I like the simplicity and sturdiness of this garage workshop setup. The large workbench provides ample space for various projects, and the lower shelf is great for storing larger items like the shop vacuum. The pegboard on the wall is a fantastic addition, keeping frequently used tools organized and within easy reach. The cabinets offer additional storage for supplies and tools, helping to keep the workspace clutter-free. However, I would add some task lighting above the workbench to improve visibility. Additionally, installing a few more hooks or small shelves on the pegboard could further enhance the organization. Overall, this setup is practical and efficient for a wide range of tasks. I love the classic and organized look of this workshop. The large pegboard is fantastic, keeping all the tools neatly arranged and easily accessible. The variety of hooks and holders ensures that every tool has its place. The sturdy wooden workbench provides a solid surface for projects and plenty of storage space underneath. The green metal drawers are a great touch for storing smaller items and keeping the workspace tidy. However, I would add some task lighting above the workbench to improve visibility for detailed tasks. Additionally, a cushioned floor mat would make standing for long periods more comfortable. Overall, this setup is highly functional and visually appealing, perfect for any DIY enthusiast. I really appreciate the efficient use of space in this garage workshop. The long workbench provides plenty of room for various projects, and the built-in shelves above are great for storing tools and supplies. The addition of a hinged door for the upper shelves is a smart choice, keeping dust and debris away from stored items. The wall-mounted storage for tapes and smaller tools is both practical and convenient, keeping everything within easy reach. However, I would add some pegboard sections or additional hooks to maximize vertical storage. Also, a few task lights under the shelves would significantly improve visibility for detailed work. Overall, this setup is functional and well organized, perfect for a busy workshop. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope these garage workshop design ideas inspired you to create your own efficient and organized workspace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.